What's going on, guys? Jason here. Received some more products today, and I thought I'd come on and do a quick unboxing. I've got two products, both are still sealed. Haven't seen the colours, so obviously seen the boxes. Yeah, a couple of new products by Voopoo. Sent out for me to have a look at, have a play with, and yeah. So the first one is the Voopoo Drag Baby TRIO Trio Kit. So this is obviously another small, more of a sort of sub-ohm sort of thing. Nice white packaging. So obviously all your social media down the side there. All your contents on the back. So this one obviously has got your... Sorry, I'm not using my tripod tonight, guys. We'll flick it around. So you got your baby drag, your glass tube, user manual, your PMP M2 coil, which is 0.6 ohms, your chain necklace, which I think is limited to 500,000, is it? Gene chip cards, PMP C1 coil, USB cable, and warranty card. Scratch and sniff color code. So this one's ultraviolet. All your warnings, like I said, social media. Yeah. So we'll, like I said, I haven't had a look at this one yet, so we'll open it up and see what we've got inside. So I've been at work all day, so sort of, yeah. Okay. Ooh, almost dropped it. It is so little. It's the first thing you notice. Excuse me. So obviously you got your tank here, which does screw onto the top of the unit. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh wow, it is tiny. And this one, yeah, like I said, was that color, was it again? It was the ultraviolet. Nice little, it's light, very light. So obviously there's your tank, spare glass. And you get this little packaging, which will have all your two coils in there, USB. Sorry, guys. Your chain. So your platinum chain, I might leave that one in there. I do have the one on my Nano, so yeah. Baby drag book. Obviously your warranty card. Silica gels. Gene chip card. And your coils. So they are tiny, the coils, but yeah, I mean, pretty basic really. It is small though. I do like this. Like I said, I'll do a full review at a later date. But wow, I do like how small it is. Like, it is tiny. To commit, this is drag mini. Obviously 5 presses on. I'm not sure there's going to be any charge in there. No screen, but you've got your button, which different colours just obviously mean different things on it. And we'll go through that more in the review we do. So that's the baby drag. And like I said, that color code again is the ultraviolet. So quite like that one. I like it. I'm gonna put some juice in there later and give it a whirl. So next item we got. Obviously I was chosen as a mat tester as well, but surprise, surprise, I did get my mat, but it's attached to the Alpha Zip with mat. So you Alpha Zip tank, which obviously the kit now comes with the mat tank. So nice embossed sort of cover with it. Your QR codes there. Obviously this color is what they call the stars color. And so what it comes with, you got your obviously Alpha Zip being 180 watt mod, MT M2 coil, 0.2 ohms, USB cable, warranty card, Obviously your matte tank with your 4mm glass, comes also with a 2mm glass, user manual, MT-M1 coil, spare O-rings, gene tube card, warnings, scratch and sniff, colour code, yeah, that's it there. So let's, like I said, sorry about the jumping around, but no tripod tonight. Let's open her up. I haven't, let's give you guys the first view of it. I have not seen this yet. So let's pop it off. One-handed. Sorry guys, just put you down for a sec, just to get the... Here we go. Boo. Designed by Voopoo, little package. Ooh, pretty. So there's your mod there. So obviously that's the Stars and Stripes one. We'll have a quick look. It's obviously got a protective layer over the top of it. Up, down, power button. Dual 18650. So you dual 18650, but let's pull off the protective stickers. I am gonna, wow. It does look nice, so. Wow. Look at that. It is shiny as shiny as shiny. So this one I believe is their Stars one. They have about 5 or 6 other designs. So obviously in here you've got all your books, your warranty cards. Let's have a look at this tank. So obviously you get your tank with it, which comes pre-installed with your coil. I'm not sure which one. It's very chunky tank. But let's just throw it on top. See how it looks. Wow, it looks very nice on that sort of. Obviously adjustable airflow down the bottom there. The good thing I like about this one is the little button here opens the top. I'm forever putting tank mods in my pocket and they're leaking everywhere. Obviously you got your spare coil, you got some O-rings in there as well, USB cable in there, spare glass, which is your straight glass, which gives you your 2mm. But yeah, they're the 2 mods. So that is the Alpha Zip kit with a matte tank, and that's your baby Nano. What I will do is I'm going to charge them up and I'm going to go live in the Voopoo Friends group and answer any questions over there. So if anyone's got any questions, jump on there and we'll see you there. Alright guys, see you later.